Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP, and just a seasonal tip for you. Rainy season, weather, etc., wind, leaves, deciduous trees, etc. We get more and more cars in that have got debris in the plenum chambers, and that then leads to water ingress or blocked sunroof drains, etc., where the water can't get away where it should get away normally, and it's blocked for whatever reason, and normally it's leaves and debris of country cars or cars that are parked in leafy suburbs. So again, very, very important when it comes to this time of year that with servicing or any particular issues, we're checking those plenum chambers, cabin filters, sunroof drains, etc. Anywhere that we know are going to be ingress problems if we're not repairing them or keeping those channels clear. We've got a number of case studies on the website which are really highlighted, particularly on some particular European vehicles. But again, very, very important that we're cleaning those up to keep those plenum chambers clear, free of debris, to make sure when that rain does arrive, it can get away from getting into where it shouldn't get into. So a good tip for coming up into the winter season. If you're a TAP member and you can access all this information on the website, don't forget to go to tap.net.au and log in. If you're not a member and you want access to it, just go to tap.net.au and click up on the Join Up Now button. See you next time.